Hello, I'm Steve from Cottage in the Country. During a house refurbishment, we decided that the problem of an ugly, unsafe handrail needed to be resolved. All there was on the staircase wall was a securely fixed handrail backboard. The handrail had obviously gone to a better place. The cost of a new handrail and fixings would have been around £100 upwards, which would have stretched our non-elastic budget. However, I had an idea to solve the problem for next to nothing. When we bought the house, the previous owner had left a few things, including a timber bed base with 2 bed rails. These were 100mm by 25mm, with a half-round detail top and bottom. Each bed rail was over 2 metres long, making the timber long enough to reach from the top to the bottom of the stairs. I decided to refurbish and fix these bed rails to the existing staircase backboard and use them as a new handrail. I dismantled the bed and took the timber back to the workshop. Then I sanded the varnish off the bed rails and made a dowel joint between the 2 pieces to give me a long length. I also rounded one end for the top of the handrail to give a smooth finish. The top length of the rail was fixed to the back rail with 60mm screws at 300mm centres. The lower length was fixed temporarily to the top piece with the dowel joint, and 1 screw held it in position at the bottom. The bottom horizontal rail was offered up and marked for the miter joint, as was the temporary fixed rail. These 2 handrails were cut and notched to suit the joint. Then they were both fixed in position with PVA glue on the joints. All joints and screw heads were filled and sanded level. Finally, the handrail was painted white to match the other paintwork. You can see that the bottom of the handrail was positioned level with the bottom of the backboard. This gave plenty of room to grip the top of the handrail with my hand. The cost was less than £1 for the screws, dowels and glue. The timber was free and the paint was lying around the house from the refurbishment. It only took around 2 hours to make and fix. Now the staircase handrail is safe and has a clean modern look. Please like and subscribe if you found this interesting. Bye for now.